Ignatius, alias the third Shakir, the 119th Patriarch of Antioch, succeeding St. Peter, was born on 13th October 1867 in Mardin, Turkey. St. Ignatius, born as the second son to the Shakir family of Reverend Abraham Co-Episcopa and Mariam, was called by the name Nasri. He had 4 brothers and 3 sisters. After the demise of their mother, Mariam, Nasri was brought up under the care of his elder sister, Helena. When Patriarch Peter IV heard about Nasri, he directed Nasri to join the school of the 40 Martyrs to learn theology. In 1887, Nasri joined the Kurkuma Dairu and was ordained as deacon by Patriarch Peter IV. In 1888, he was ordained to the rank of Sharvoi Ramban and later accepted monastic life, upon which he came to be known by the name of Elias. In 1892, he was ordained as Cassiso by Patriarch Peter IV. Later, he served in the army parish near Mardin. In 1894, when Patriarch Peter IV passed away, he left the duties at Mardin and returned to Kurkuma Dairu. In the waning years of the 19th century, thousands of Armenian Syriac Christians were massacred. Elias Cassiso provided refuge to more than 7,000 Armenian Christians at the monastery of Mor Kuriakos. Later, he was appointed as the chief of the monastery of Mor Kuriakos and the Kurkuma Dairu. During this time, he bought land and built many churches, schools, and hospitals. Due to many such acts, he became famous in Turkey. In 1908, Patriarch Abded Aloho II consecrated Elias Cassiso as Metropolitan under the name Mor Ivanius at Mardin. He then took charge of Ahmed or Diyarbakir. In 1912, he was appointed as the Metropolitan of Mosul. In 1915, when Patriarch Abded Aloho II passed away, Mor Ivanius Metropolitan was elected temporarily to the position of Patriarch and later assumed the throne in 1917. Ottoman Sultan Muhammad Rashid issued the decree Firman to Patriarch Elias III. Later, when Patriarch Elias III visited Istanbul, the capital of Turkey, in 1919, the Sultan conferred him the Ismania Medal. In 1922, when the civil war broke out in Turkey, Patriarch Elias III spent a few months at the mansion of Mark in Jerusalem. There, he established a printing press and started publications in Arabic and Syriac. On 1st December 1930, the then British Viceroy to India, Lord Irwin, sent a letter to Patriarch Elias III requesting his presence or that of a delegate to resolve the schism that had erupted in the Malankara church. The Patriarch accepted this invitation with certain conditions. Given his cardiac problems, the Patriarch's elder sister pleaded him to not undertake the journey. However, his reply was as follows: "Death is inevitable, whether here or in India. I would rather sacrifice my life for the sake of our children in Malankara." Patriarch Elias III and his associates left for India from Basra on 28 February 1931 on the ship named Warsaw. On 5th March 1931, they disembarked at Karachi. The Patriarch and his associates were received by the Antioch Patriarchal Delegate Mor Julius Elias Metropolitan and Mor Athanasius Paulos of Alve, Veliatirumeni of Alua. They then set out to Delhi by train, reached there on 8th March and met the Viceroy. On 12th March, they reached Madras and met Sir George Stanley. On 21st March, they reached Alve. The following day, Patriarch Elias III offered the Holy Kurbana at the Alua Trikanatha Seminary Church. He led the Passion Week services at Karingachira Church in 1931. On 5th July 1931, he convened the meetings held at Kurpumpadi Church. The Patriarch visited many churches in Malankara, including the Panambadi Church and the Pakil St. Thomas Church. Throughout his journey, Reverend Vaitra Punus Kattanar was his translator. On 11th February 1932, At the invitation of Reverend Ilavanamannil Kuriakos Kasiso, the Patriarch visited the Manyanikara Mor Stephanos Church. Upon reaching Manyanikara, the Patriarch said, "This place offers us much comfort. We desire to remain here permanently." He asked the priests who came to visit him on the 12th if they could stay with him for a couple of days. That evening, the Patriarch recited many prayers from the Holy Anointment with oil as well as shared contemplations on the departed. On 13th February 1932, at the direction of the Patriarch, Mor Clemens Johannon Abachi offered the Holy Kurbana and His Holiness gave the sermon. Later, after the noon prayers and lunch, His Holiness recorded events in his journal. Following this, during his stroll, he felt a headache and said, "My head, my head." Soon, His Holiness fainted and was placed on a bed by the monks. His Holiness left for his heavenly abode. Although several opinions rose regarding the final resting place of His Holiness, he was entombed on 14th February at the north of the Mor Stephanos Church. His Holiness Elias III is the only Patriarch today whose remains are buried on Malankara land. A church in the name of St. Ignatius Norono was built near to the tomb of His Holiness Elias III. As per Bull number E265/87, permitted by Patriarch Moran Mor Ignatius Zaka I Evas, the name of His Holiness Elias III was included in the 5th Tubdain. The Holy Church commemorates the remembrance of this saint on 13th February every year. Today, many come to Manyanikara on foot, even from distant lands, to pay homage to the tomb of this saint. The intercession of this saint has always been a blessing to the faithful.